Hi everybody, this is what I'm going to show you how to do today. I'm actually going to show you how to do two bows, one for long hair and one for short hair. And I learned this technique from a YouTube guru. Her name is Bino Sumo. I forgot, but I call her the Bino girl. I'm pretty sure I butchered her username. But she does all these cute Japanese hairdos and it's so cute. And I was inspired to do my own because her tutorials are in a foreign language. So if you guys are interested in learning this technique, then keep on watching, and I'll also put her link down below so you guys can check her out and subscribe to her because she does the best hair tutorials. Okay, so just so that you guys can get a better view of what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using a white hair tie so you can see. But ideally you want to use a black hair tie or a hair tie that matches your hair color. And what you're going to do first is divide your hair in half, like this. And then you just want to brush your hair to one side. So just like that. Then you want to grab your hair tie and loop it around your hair once, like this. And then on the second one, you just want to put a little bit in like that so you get a little ball and your thumb is sticking out. Then just want to put the hair back on this side or turn the rest of it to the side. Pick up the hair tie again and twist it and pick up the rest. So as you can see how the white hair tie goes, it should look like this. And then you just want to pull the rest back like that. And this is the basis for your bow. And then it's kind of lopsided right now, so what you have to do is take bobby pins and pin it down. So for this side, this bow, I'm just gonna go like that. Pin it. And then same to the other side. Okay, so that's how it looks like with the white hair tie. Now I'm just going to undo it and show you guys one more time using my black hair tie. So, brush your hair again. I'm going to grab my black hair tie and tie it once like this. Twist it again. That part up. Twist it. The rest. As you can see, it looks a lot better when the hair tie matches your hair color. And pull the rest to the back. Grab your bobby pins again and pin your hair down. And if you have a bit of flyaways on the little one, because I have layers, so the little one's kind of sticking out more, all you have to do is grab some hairspray. Oops, and spray your bow in place. So here it is, all done. Now the next bow will be nice if you have longer hair like I do. And what I'm going to do is tie my hair, grab the whole thing and tie it all up. So grab your black hair tie and tie your hair really tightly. Like so.